A mechanic was gunned down in Ocho Rios, St. Anne on Wednesday evening. He has been identified as Chadwin Gale, otherwise called Scary of Jacks River, St. Mary. Reports are that about 8:30 p.m. Gale was operating a motor vehicle on Milford Road in the vicinity of a garage when he was approached by a gunman who opened fire, hitting him multiple times. Gale was taken to St. Anne's Bay Hospital where he was pronounced dead. The St. Anne police are appealing to anyone with information that can assist with investigation to contact them. At least 10 persons have died in St. Anne since the start of the year. 26-year-old Kimanio Darrell, a taxi operator of Hampton Crescent, St. Andrew, has been missing since Thursday, February 29. He is of brown complexion, slim built, and about 168 centimeters or 5 feet 6 inches tall. Reports from the Duane Park police are that Darrell was last seen at about 9 p.m. on Carpenter Road in the parish. He was wearing a black and green shirt, army green shorts, and a pair of Adidas slippers. He has not been heard from since that time, and efforts to contact him have all been unsuccessful. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Kimanio Darrell is asked to contact the Duane Park Police, Police 119, or the nearest police station. Two Portland men had several charges laid against them following a robbery incident at a business establishment along the St. Margaret's Bay Main Road in the parish on Sunday, February 25. Charged are 50-year-old driver Anthony Ebert, otherwise known as Blacks, 52-year-old Richard Charles, otherwise called Paulie, both of Snow Hill, Portland. Ebert had robbery with aggravation, possession of prohibited weapon, malicious destruction of property, and driving away motor vehicle without owner's consent, while Charles was charged with receiving stolen property. Reports from the Port Antonio police are that between 1 a.m. and 3 a.m., two men, one armed with a shotgun, entered the business establishment. They ordered the security guard on duty to assist them in loading the company's vehicle with construction material. Moments later, one of the two men contacted Ebert, who entered the premises in a motor car and drove away the loaded truck with the car following behind. The police, who were on patrol in the area, intercepted the truck on a second visit to the premises, and an attempt was made to accost them. Ebert drove away and crashed into a wall, and the occupants fled into nearby bushes. Acting on information, a subsequent operation was conducted and Ebert was taken into custody. Charles was later arrested after a large quantity of stolen property was found at his residence. Both men were charged following a question and answer session on Tuesday, February 27. Their accomplices are still at large. Their court dates are being finalized.